Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can make website as an application through Microsoft Edge. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So we need to open Microsoft Edge first. So type Edge in the Windows search bar. Click on it to open it. Maximize it. Now let me quickly search for YouTube. YouTube.com. Now hit enter. So obviously you can watch or you can open any website here in the Microsoft Edge or in any other browser. But what if you're going to make that website as an application? And that can be possible through the Microsoft Edge. So we are now here in YouTube. Now in order to make this as an application, you just need to click on the three dots and then scroll down and you will find this option apps. And you will find this install YouTube. Install YouTube app, click on install. You can also allow this app to pin to taskbar and pin to start. Click on allow. And if I'm going to close the Microsoft Edge and search for YouTube in the Windows search bar, this will now appear as an application under the best match. And there you go. As easy as that, you have installed the YouTube application or YouTube website as an application in the through the help of the Microsoft Edge in your Windows. Now let's try another one. Let's open Edge again. Click on it. Maximize it. Now let's search in here. Instagram.com. And here we are going to be directed into the Instagram website. Now in order to make this as an application, you just have to click on the three dots and then select apps and click on install Instagram. Click on install. And now the app has been installed. You can allow this to pin to taskbar and pin to start. Click on allow. Now if I'm going to close the Microsoft Edge, you can see that Instagram is now a separate application from the Microsoft Edge and you can now access into this directly. So this is now an app on your Windows. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.